Hello Rocketeers, this is Mrs. Chang. Today we're going to practice fractions. So I have a fraction written right on here. We all know that this is 1/2 right here, okay? We know that a fraction names part of a whole, like a whole pizza. We're talking about half of a pizza, or it also names a part of a group or a set. So if you had a carton of eggs, and in that carton of eggs there are 12 eggs, we're talking about a fraction. Maybe 2 of the eggs are brown and 10 of the eggs are white. So when we're telling fraction about the brown eggs, we could say 2/12 are brown, right? Because we're talking about part of a group or a set. Okay, so let's quickly review. The numerator is the number on the top, and this tells how many equal parts are being looked at. The number on the bottom is called a denominator, and the denominator tells us how many equal parts there are in all. So today I have this little cute box of Fruit Loops cereal. I chose this because there are different colored cereal in here, and we're going to practice fractions by looking at the different colors of the cereal. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, Rocketeers, so look at my cereal. I have some green ones and some orange ones. So now we're going to look and see what fraction of the cereals are green. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to count the total number of pieces in a set. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's called the denominator. So the number, I'm going to draw a line like this. The denominator is a 5 because there are a total of 5 pieces of the cereal. Next, we're going to count just the green cereal because we want to know what fraction of the cereals are green. I'm only going to count the green ones, 1 and 2. That number is called the numerator, and it goes on the top. So, what fraction of the cereals are green? 2/5 are green because there's only 2 green ones here, but there's a total of 5. Should we try another one? Let's try another one. Okay, here's another one. What fraction of the cereals are red? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to count the total number of pieces in a set. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That number is called the denominator. So number on the bottom tells me how many total in a set or a group. Now, we're going to count just the red cereal because the question is what fraction of the cereals are red? Let's only count the red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That number is called the numerator. Okay, denominator and numerator. So we know that 6/9 of the cereals are red. This is a red. Okay, the red, and the one number on the bottom is the total number of everything. Let's try one more. So now we want to know what fraction of the cereals are blue. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to count the total number of pieces in a set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's double check. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, that number is the denominator. Even though there are different colors, more than 2 colors, it's okay. The number on the bottom, the denominator, tells me how many total are in my set. Okay, and now we're going to count just the blue ones. 1, 2, 3. That number is called the numerator because we're only looking at the blue ones, not any other color. So how many are blue? Through 3/8 of my cereals are blue. 3 blue. And a total of 8 altogether. Great job, Rocketeers. So friends, please go ahead and work on the worksheets that I've attached for extra practice. Have fun.